Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new video today, and you may remember a couple weeks ago I put out a video, what's brand new at Knoebels for 2019. Well, I made mention of a new ride, and it's now here and operational, so we're going to check it out. It's called Tumbling Timbers, and I'll give you my thoughts on it, and we'll get you some ride action footage of it. Alright, so here it is. Tumbling Timbers took the place of Over the Top. If you're looking for it, it's situated right next to the Antique Cars Gasoline Alley and Fandango. By the looks of this ride, it kind of resembles the teacups and a tilt-a-whirl. As you'll see, it spins around on a banked angle, and you sit back to back. The platform spins and the ride vehicles themselves spin around, and it goes multiple directions. Alright guys, that was Tumbling Timbers, Knoebels' newest ride here. Glad to see it's finally in place and operational. But I do have a person that rode it and is going to give you their thoughts on it. None other than Lily. What'd you think of it?
It was really cool. You're like spinning both ways and I got dizzy.
Would you ride it again?
Yeah.
And what do you think it's similar to? Is it like teacups or tilt-a-whirl?
More like teacups.
Teacups? Okay, well, if you like spinning rides, then you'll probably like that ride. As for me, I don't like them, so I won't be riding it, but at least Lily was able to give you her thoughts on it. If you guys have any comments, questions, or thoughts, don't forget to leave them down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Check out my Knoebels playlist where I do have other videos, and don't forget you can follow me on Facebook. You can find the links to that down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you in the next video.